in. Oh, what is? Come on, let me show you my mansion. Hello everyone, welcome here. My name is Justin Marchand. Coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. Right now I head to work with my father. Him claims say him a punish me because I prank him. But I know say him really want my company, that's why I'm really I do this.
People, anything you know see happen to him today, he asks for it. This is not a prank, this is real. Tell him, say, oh, why you help me today? So he's alright, my come, but it's a punishment. And like, whole of YouTube, whole world, laugh off of me. This is time for your punishment. Not a prank, punishment.
Welcome in. Oh, what is? Come on, let me show you my mansion. So I finally find my dream house. Like, look at this place. Isn't it amazing? Oh, what did I eat, man? Yeah man, I finally make it in a life now. This is what a successful YouTuber dream house look like. Yeah, you idiot. So over here we have the kitchen over here. Oh, what is? Oh, Jesus. Right now, this is the furniture because we just kind of buy the house. You see what's up? Come on, I'll show you what. Over here, so we have the stove right there, so it's fancy tabletop stove. You know, we're just foreign ready for chef up and stuff, you know, but if you look on this, you have to realize that you touch a people. Style. Fridge kind of empty still, but oh, what is? This is the microwave right here. And this are the oven. Oh, what is?
Oh, hell no!
It's a very wonderful cameraman. I mean, you're supposed to be one cameraman. Oh, what and you're the star. Alright. But yes, guys. So basically, we got the fireplace right there, so in the winter, you know? Oh, Jesus. Although Florida get cold sometimes, sometimes we go in at the look of 60s, so we have to turn on the fireplace and all of that. Yeah, you idiot. This is the pool outside. On Sunday evening after I post the video, we just sit down and just relax in the pool and read in the comments and reply, you know? Yo, clever idiot. Yeah, well, let me take you upstairs. Yes guys, this is the dream right here. One day I'm gonna be like And we also have a little small balcony right here. I'm not gonna open it, but basically that's the balcony. Look, come look closer, man. You can see the little view. Like a very nice view outside. So I'm gonna take it to my master bedroom now. This is my master bedroom.
How could I cause this?
Alright guys, this is my master bedroom. I don't know what them paint something here. But they have hired 2 people to do some painting today, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, Jesus.
And that's why the lot of all of this still in here.
Oh my God, who the hell cares? How is
Oh wait, nobody looking at the closet, all out there.
your favorite?
All that looking there, so. But yeah, as you can see, this is the master bathroom right here. You know, this is where we come to relax and sit down and have a look at jacuzzi bathtub.
How could I cause this?
Life as a YouTuber can be very stressful sometimes, so we have to have them little stuff to just relax, you know. But yeah, this is the mirror right here. Very big mirror. Very nice bathroom. This is one of the reasons why we buy the house at the bathroom. Now look how amazing this is.
Your favorite idiot.
I'm gonna show you now the rest of the house. Now this is basically another guest bedroom. No worry them son, we have to look at work in here so. As I said, we hire some people to do some painting, and that's why in here look so.
How would I idiot, man? Your favorite idiot.
And one more thing I want to show you before I cut the video is the amazing view of the balcony, guys. Look at this view. Ain't it amazing? We have the pool downstairs. Yeah, this is the view of the pool from off the balcony. Alright, this is like the loading dock over there, so. When I get my boat, that's where I go put it right there, so. Because I plan to buy a boat, but I just not decide which one I want yet.
How is
Yeah. I basically can only have the house here in my dreams. That's why I'm a dream house.
Alright, so you're up on the clock now, you know, so you have to start working when you take out the machine out of the paint machine.
how is
That's right. Alright. Yeah man, one paint, take out the paint out of it, one paint inside of it, so take it out, one bucket, 1 5-gallon paint, yeah. Yes people, they're on the job today. Now working and sweat him out. See, you see these people start struggling already, you know. Start
your
struggling already.
favorite idiot?
Alright.
Go to one on the other side.
No. Brown with that. You're tired already. A sentence just yeah, a day of punishment.
I just find a reason for show off, though. With whatever you do. What's that? Oh, me? Me never sign up for that one. You can't do that. You know, so me can't climb ladder.
Go try. You want to fix your screwdriver? Let's fix the cylinder. It broke the
They show this position, right?
Yes, it was. You know, you go, if you're not fit, go up there and see. If you can't fit it,
No, 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 no.
put all of them. And me rate it. So what make you can rate it?
Yeah, idiot.
No, so you have 2 more tricks. Yeah.
Oh, God, no, I can't.
Jesus.
So you
Right?
have to face that good man.
Do the sit right.
Face the leather good. Fix the leather what you can do.
No, 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 no.
Comfortable person.
When you that prank me, how comfortable you think that was? Eh?
This is not the time for that, right?
Because I asked you a question, so.
This is not the time for that, right?
I will, guess what? Me the boss. You make me have to do the man and boy again.
No bother with that. You can't always cut out this whole time. Remember that. I'm here the editor. Ha! Do it. What you have to say about yourself?
What me have to say?
What you have to say about yourself?
Look how long you take to take it down.
We still do it. What is it?
That's right. Come down. You,
What
have to,
is?
you can come down with me.
Like, it's not necessary, right?
Yes.
Don't mean you take it right.
Well, people, now look at this. Look at this. This man there work. This man come and work. Supposed to be working. And look at him. Eh? Now, people, what do you think we should have do with that man? Fire him same time, right? You not tell me. You want to not tell me if he deserve no pay. Eh? You not tell me if he deserve no pay.
First of all,
No, first of all, you know,
everybody's supposed to get a break. This is not slavery.
look, you know start work an hour yet.
Of course.
Are you on break already?
You tell me that for work an hour. That's what you tell me.
9 to 5 today. 9 to 5. And people at 10:30 now. And look at the man. Look at the man. 10:30. 10:30. It start work 9 o'clock.
Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit that